Hello friends. So today our second day of Kubernetes tutorial. So today we'll discuss how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu 22.04 in AWS. Okay. So to install this, first requirement is we should have two server in AWS, which I have already created. Okay. So when I'll show you or when I'll demonstrate you AWS tutorial, that time I will show you how to create these things manually, as well as how to create this by using Ansible, by using Terraform, or by using um, Python. Those details also I'll show you. Okay, so not to worry. Okay, now okay, let us go. So as I have already created the server, first let me log into the master server. Okay, so as this is our test environment, I have copied the public IP of the server. So to access the server, okay, the command is ssh hyphen I, then the key pair. Okay, that is my PIM key. Then username, that is Ubuntu at the rate public IP. Okay, so let me connect it. Yes, now I am inside the server. Okay, next. Next is first. Always remember, whenever you will connect to any server, first, as this is my test environment, or whenever you will do in production also, when you will connect or when you will create the server, first always update the server. Okay, so let me connect to my first node as well. Okay, so this is my first node, and this is the public IP of the server. So I have, let me just copy this. Should be to, I need to go to my folder where I have uh, cop, I have my PIM key. Okay, so I just copy. I need to copy my second node, first node here. Okay, I just pasted, and yes, now I will be connect to, yes, now I'm connected to node. Okay, so first, as I told, first update the packages. Okay, so I have given the update command, control L, sudo apt-get update. Okay, apt-get update, it's updated now. So this is my Kubernetes tutorial. Okay, this is my GitHub repo. In day 2 I have mentioned how to install. Okay, so here today I'll show you how to do manually. Okay, on next class I'll show you how to install Kubernetes by using Ansible role also. Okay, so there no need to worry to run all this command, just run this Ansible role. It will create your master node as well, master server as well as node one. Okay, so first on master, what I need to do, I need to go to root user. Okay, so here I need to go to root user, sudo su hyphen. Okay, so same way in node also I need to go to sudo su root user. Okay, now once you logged in as root user, now what I need to do, let us update the server's name. Here you can see root, it is showing root alert with the IP. Okay, so what is the server name? Host name hyphen I, then this is the host name. Okay, I need to change it. Okay, so how to change? So this is the command. Okay, first host name ctl set host name node. Okay, so here once let me paste. Okay, so here remember, as this is my master server. Okay, so I need to give it master. That's it. Okay, now I need, we have already changed here the name. Okay, but what happened, once you have changed also, here it is not showing the name. Okay, so I need to run the next command, so that here also it will show this, that this is the master one. Okay, so for that the command I have already in my GitHub repo. Okay, so let us go there and we will see. Okay, so this is the command to make it happen, or it will show. Okay, was, see, now it is showing master. Okay, as, and remember one thing, this is, always remember, this is temporary basis. Okay, this is temporary basis. So now to make it permanent, what we need to do, we need to give one input. Okay, we need to give one input. Where you need to give, you need to give the input in slash etc host file. Okay, just I'll show you where you need to give it. Okay, just a second. Okay, first let me cat it so that you will get more clear picture on it. Okay, slash etc hosts. Okay, so here, what it is there, here it is the IP and localhost IP. So here we need to give the private IP of the server, then the server name, whatever server name you want. Okay, we are already in the root user vi slash etc hosts hosts. Okay, hosts, then enter. Okay, so now I am in my vi editor, then enter, then the server private IP. What is the server private IP? I need to copy it from the AWS console itself, correct? So this is, sorry, this is my public IP, this is my private IP. Why I need to give the private IP also, I'll tell you. Okay, master master, just save it. Okay, see here, if I'll not give the private IP, if I'll give the public IP, then the, if the server will be stopped, or if the server will be rebooted or restart, then the problem will be that public IP will be changed. So what happened is, you can say me like, hey, hey Jagannath, what I want to give it as the elastic IP, so that it won't be changed. Okay, but here the thing is, if you give the elastic IP, it will not change. But if there will be communicate between the master as well as node, then if you give the public IP, then the request will go to internet. Then from internet it will go to inside the AWS, inside the VPC. Then only it will get. But if you will give the private IPs, then always remember, it won't go to the internet like other internet, right? Directly it will go and check inside the VPC of AWS. Then it will find, no, it is inside my VPC. Directly there will be communicate. The communication will be very less time. As then you will tell, the communication will be like a very fraction of second, right? So you can't understand these things. But always remember, whenever you will do in production, so always will I will recommend to give the private IP. Okay, fine. Now, I hope you are getting my point. Okay, fine. Now I need to go to my node. Okay, first node. So here also, if I'll do cat slash etc os, okay, slash etc, then hosts. Then what I need to do, sudo vi etc hosts. Okay, before that, what I need to do, I need to change it. Okay, I need to change the name. What I need to give, I need to give the host name as node. Okay, now the second command is bash. Okay, now the name is changed, but I need to give in the host file vi slash etc hosts hosts VITC host. Okay, insert. Now I'm inside the VI editor. I need to copy and paste it. Here, what I need to do, I need to select the node one. Once I have selected the node one, I need to copy the private IP. Okay, so here I have copied the private IP, then I need to give the name. So here a name should be node. Okay, so okay, sorry. Here I have by mistake give the name. Okay, I need to give it as NODE. Okay, node. Fine. Now, what I need to do next command is, okay, it is up to here. You are clear. Okay. Now This is the command to update and the upgrade the packages. But here what I did is I have already updated, so no need to worry. And upgrade, if you want you can upgrade also, okay, not to worry. Now next thing is this we need to run this command mode probe. Okay, so what is mode probe? Okay, so mode probe is a command line based utility in Linux based OS that helps in removing and adding modules from the kernel. Okay, this utility was written by Rusty Russell. Okay, and is used to add loadable module into the Linux kernel or remove a module from the Linux kernel. Okay, so always remember this is this is the basic like basic explanation I can say. But always remember what is the use of mode probe. This is nothing but um, uh, this is nothing but a command line tool, you can say, that is used in Linux to add or to remove module. Okay, that's it. So now what we need to do, we need to give this overlay and BR net filter. Okay, this entry we need to give where? This we need to give inside the container t dot un. Okay, but before that let me show you whether this file is exist or not. Okay, I just copy it, then I need to go here, then in master what I need to do, I need to give ls hyphen l, then the this name. Okay, see here what it is showing, this file is not there. So what happened, I need to give t command. Okay, the T command used with a pipe reads the standard input, then writes the output of a program to standard output and simultaneously copies it into the specified file or files. Okay, so see here what is the use of this command. Okay, so let me go here, and if I see show you the command. Okay, what it will do, whatever output you will give here. Okay, so overlay and BR notifier, sorry, BR net filter, what it will do, when you will run this command, this file will be created. Okay, this file will be created and this two line will be added there. So let me copy it. Okay, so always remember whenever you will copy anything in Linux and paste it, okay, always try to do first paste it over your notepad. Okay, then copy again and paste in your kernel. Okay, or in command line. Okay, now it is done. Okay, same here also you need to do it. Okay, that's it. Now now if I'll do ls, let me see whether the file is created or not. See, the file is created. When the file is created this time, but here my time is 6:47. Okay, but you will say, hey Jagannath, the time is different. How the time is different? If you will do, the time zone is different. Okay, so this is in UTC. Okay, so as I am in India, so this time zone is different. Okay, see here the time is 13:17. Okay, now 13:16, that means this file is created on 13:16. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to check what is the content, whether those contents are appended or not. Okay, so what I need to do, the command is cat. See, both the file are, sorry, both the lines are copied. Okay, these are basic Linux things. Okay, I hope you are getting. So if you have any doubt, let me know. Okay, in the comment section. Okay, now see, this also I have mentioned here. T command read the standard input and writes to both the standard output in one or more file. Okay, so yeah, this also I have already explained you. Okay, now we need to update the kernel. So how we need to update the kernel? We need to update the kernel with the name of these things. Okay, so I'll just copy and paste it. Then I need to copy and paste it. Okay, done. Same here also we need to do. Okay, then I need to copy this line, copy, then paste it, then enter in node also. Okay, then again I need to copy this master one. Okay, copy, then paste it. See how easy is this. Okay, so no need to worry. Okay, fine. Next is, okay, next is we need to run this command. Okay, we need to add net.breeze hyphen nf. This command are value as 1, and this as value as 1, and this is the value as 1. Where I need to copy? I need to copy in this line. Okay, same how I have done earlier command, same I need to do. Before that, I let us check whether this file is exist or not. Okay, see here, if I'll do ls, sorry, ls, no, there is no such file. Okay, in master also let me do ls, here also it is not there. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to just copy then paste it. As I told you earlier, always don't copy and paste blindly. Understand what is the command. Okay, now I'll paste it here. Then I'll tell what is the command. Okay. Why very easy. Okay. See here, what is the use of net breeze dot sorry hyphen nf call IPv6. Okay, so this configuration parameter is related to Linux networking. So when I'll explain you on Linux networking, that time I'll explain you in detail, but I am just telling you. Okay, now just a brief discussion I'll give you. Okay, so this is used to control whether IPv6 traffic is passed through the IP tables framework or not. Okay, so here if you give the value is 0, then it will disable IPv6 packet by IP6 table for breeze traffic. Okay, then if you give 1, that means enable the process of IPv6 packets by IP6 table for bridge traffic. Okay, so see, so here what we have given, so here we have given as value as 1. That means here we are allowing, what we are allowing, here we are allowing the processing of IPv6 packets by IP6 table for bridge traffic. I hope you are getting my point. The first line. Okay, now next line. See here, by line also you can understand what you can understand here. If you see here, it has mentioned IP table only. That means here also same. Earlier it was allowing IPv6, next it will allow you for IPv4. Okay, what is IPv6, what is IPv4, those also I'll explain you in Linux tutorial. Okay, fine. Now what I need to, what is the next command? So here the next command is net.ipv4.ip forward equals to 1. Okay, so what is the use? So here the net.ipv4.ip forward, this is the parameter in Linux, is a kernel parameter. Okay, that determines whether the kernel should forward IPv4 packet from one network interface to another or not. Okay, so here if you give the same way, 0 means disable, 1 means enable. Okay, so if you give that 0, that means kernel will not forward the packets between the network interface. Okay, but if you give 1, that means IP forward is enable, the kernel will forward the packets between the network interface. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, I'll explain you. No worry. I'll explain you when I'll explain you in Linux tutorial. That time, what is IPv4, what is IPv6, how the uh, uh, how the IP table is configured. All these things. I'll firewall. I'll explain you. Okay, fine. Now let me just enter it. Okay, so here also I'll copy, then I'll paste it. Okay. Control C, insert. Fine, done. Then next command. Next command, whenever you will do any configuration changes, you need to reload the system. That is sudo system sudo sysctl space hyphen hyphen system. So as I am already in the root user, I just need to go here. I need to paste it here. Control L, then paste. Okay. I think sysctl hyphen hyphen system. Control C, paste it. Okay, fine. Okay. Next, we need to install the container D. Okay. So always remember, when you will install any package in Ubuntu, those package how you need to install by using apt command. So apt get install or apt install, then the package name. Then you can install multiple packages as well. How you need to install multiple packages? By the command apt install, then the packages name, one by one name you can give. So here I have given these are the packages: GNU PG2, software properties, those things. Okay. Okay, so here let me just copy it. I have copied the this one, then I'll paste it over here. Enter. Okay, it will install those packages. Those packages also need to be installed in the node one. I just enter name. Then what we need to do, we need to add the GPG key. Okay, so this is the command. Okay, just I copied, then I'll paste it over here. Okay, so as I am in root user, so I need to remove the sudo. Okay, then it is done. Then Control L, insert. Okay, see, now I'll show you. On master, I have run it without showing you, but in node, I'll show you. Okay, what is the how it is working. Okay, so here now let me go to that directory. Which directory? Let me go into etc apt trusted gpg.d. Okay, whether this docker.gpg is there or not. Okay, I just copied, then ls hyphen l insert. Okay, see here this file is not there. Okay, now if I run this command, what is the like how it is doing? Okay, curl. I'll just paste it. Okay, I pasted. Now I will check whether the file is present or not. See, the file is now present. That means this file is created. Okay, so then I need to cat it. Once I have cat, okay, this is done. Okay, just a second. Okay, that GPG key is there. Okay, fine. Now I need to update, sorry, I need to add the repo. Okay, to install container D. Okay, so here I have Control C, I'll paste it, add repository. Okay, I need to give enter. Here also I need to do same. Okay, this is done. Next is, whenever you will add any repository, you need to update the package. Okay, then I'll have to update here in master as well as in node machine also. Okay, this is update. Okay, now I need to do what, see here also I need to update. Okay, this is also updated. Now next command. Okay, now I need to install the container D. So what is the command? Same as I told you earlier, sudo apt install -y and the package name. Okay, control L. Let me clear the screen. That is command is control L. Okay, shift insert. I have copy paste. Okay, apt install container d.io. Here also apt install -y container d.io. Okay, now we need to configure container D using system D, okay, as C group. Okay, now container D config. Okay, so same here also. I'll do it. Okay, fine. Now the here I need to give the seed command. Okay, so what the seed command will do here? Here the seed command, what it will do is first it will check where the system D C group is present, where system D dot C group system D C group is present in config.toml or not. Okay, so once the it will found that hey, this is this line is there, so I need to change from false to true. Okay, so how I'll show you. Okay, now first I'll just copy it, I'll paste it. Okay, then cat it. Okay, so instead of cat, let me do one thing. Let me do vi, so that it will be better for you to understand. Okay, ivi, then sorry, not ivi. I just given the command as vi editor. Okay, then I need to copy it. Then I need to search. How I need to search? Okay, once you enter into the vi editor, then how you need to search is you need to give slash. Then you need to give the whatever you want to search. Okay, see here, this is the line. Okay, this is as false. System D C group equals to false. So now what I need to do, I need to change it to true. How I need to change it to true? I need to, whether I need to go here and I need to change as false, then I need to save it. But by seed command also you can do. So let me copy and paste it. Okay, so I am explaining you like from scratch, that I am thinking that you can understand. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So here this command I have ran. Now check. Now let us check whether it is changed or not. So I am inside that. Okay, then here I just paste it and see. Now that it is changed, it is changed to true. Okay, now I need to exit. So same command I need to run in master as well. Okay, so same command where I need to run, I need to run in master. That's it. Okay, then then I need to restart. What I need to restart? I need to restart the container D, because the container D configuration changes we have done. Whenever you will change any configuration in the configuration file of any package or anything, you need to restart. Then you need to restart the package. This is the name. Okay. Here also you need to restart. Okay. That's it. Next. So, okay, now we need to enable. Why we need to enable the service? Okay, so whenever you will install and start the service, then the service itself is not enabled. That means when you will, okay, now we have installed the container D, we have restarted the container D. Next time, when we will restart the server, then container D will not restart or will not start automatically. To enable start automatically, we need to give the command as sudo systemctl enable the package name or service name. Okay, so how we need to check whether this is enabled or not? Systemctl status status then container d. Okay, so instead of that, let me paste it here. Status status container d. Okay, okay, this is already enabled. Okay, so if this is not enabled, you can do it manually. As this is already enabled, we don't need to do manually enable. Okay, fine. Next command is we need to add the repository for Kubernetes. Okay, so how to add the repository in Kubernetes? First is this one. Okay, here also in master also we need to run. Okay, curl this. Okay, so this key apt key we have added. So here also let us add. Okay, this apt key we have added. Then we need to add the repository, where we need to add in this line. Okay, if you give here apt add repository, then enter, then here also I need to add it. Fine. Now, now we need to update. Okay, what we need to do? Apt get update. Yeah, update the package. That's it. Same here also. apt get update. DATE apt get update. Okay. Next command. Now we need to install. What we need to install? We need to install kubelet, kubadam, and kubectl. Okay. So what is the use of kubelet, kubadam, kubectl? On next class, I'll explain you in details. But remember one thing: kubectl, by using kubectl, we can communicate to the Kubernetes API, I can say. Okay, but no need to worry. I'll explain you in details later section, later tutorial. Okay, I'll just install. Okay, so on node also I need to install. Okay, now this is also both are installing in both the server. Then next command is we need to hold. We need to hold those packages. Okay, so here let me check where is the command. Okay, so this apt mark hold, apt mark hold. Okay, this is in hold state. In node also will mark as hold. Okay, fine. Now here what you need to do, once you have marked the hold state, then we need to give the keyboard in it. Okay, so control L, here in the master server, control L, I need to give keyboard in it. So this command, what it will uh, give is it will give the commands so that node will communicate to master, and when we will run the command kubectl get node, will get the both master as well as node. Okay, for that, for testing purpose, as this is my test environment, I need to go into the security group. In security group, let me open the port, open the port for everywhere. Okay, just here I'm going to edit custom. Inside custom, I'll give all TCP. Okay, so here I have given everywhere. Then I have saved it. Okay, now see what is the output we are getting. Here we are output the getting that. See, Your Kubernetes control plane has initiated successfully. Congratulations. Okay, so this is initiated now. To start using your cluster, you need to run the following command. Okay, so first we'll create the this directory. That means first we'll create the home dot cube. Where we need to create in dot sorry dollar home. Okay, so if you need to run the dollar home, when this is always remember in Linux, whatever you will get inside or after dollar without space, then the anything, then you will understand that this is the variable. Okay, so we need to see what is the variable output, what is the value of the variable. Okay, here cat pasted. Okay, see, here we are in root. That means here our home directory is slash root. Okay, fine. Now what I need to do is I need to create a directory called dot cube. How I need to create mkdir dot this command, and I'll run. Okay, so here, then copy, then I'll show you whether this command is this directory is present or not. Okay, ls hyphen la, so that you will see with the hidden directory also. Okay, there is no dot cube file, dot directory. Okay, I just pasted. Okay, now if I'll check ls hyphen la, now I have the dot cube directory. Okay, then what I need to do, I need to copy the admin.conf, that is the config file for Kubernetes. Okay, I'll copy it and I'll paste it in config file. Okay, that is called most people are telling like cube config file. This is not like cube config in one line. That is where say that is dot cube and inside that dot cube directory config file. Okay, now it is inside there. Now we need to change the permission. What we need to change? We need to change the configuration. Sorry, permission of that cube config file. That is dot cube slash config file. Okay, I have pasted. Then I have run that command. Now what I need to do. Now I need to run, see here what it is showing. Then you can join any number of worker node by running the following command as root. Okay, so here by using kubeadm join command, I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here in the node machine. Okay, here I have pasted. Now okay, before that, let me show you kubectl, our first Kubernetes command, that is kubectl get node. Yes, kubectl get nodes. See here what it is showing. Here it is showing that master node is not ready. Master machine is not ready. Fine. How many node it is having? It is having only one node, that is master one only. Okay. So now, what I need to do, I'll show you one more command to create the uh, network. Okay, pod network. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just copy here to install the pod network. This command, what it will do, ls hyphen l. There is no file. Okay, once it will run the command, there one file will be created, that is calico.yaml. Okay, see here now if I'll do ls hyphen l, one file is created, that is calico.yaml. Okay, I'll explain you when I'll explain on Kubernetes networking. That time I'll explain you what is Calico and how we need to configure everything. I'll explain. So this is our second class, so no need to worry. Just focus what I'm explaining now. Okay. So now what is the command? kubectl, then apply hyphen f, then Calico. Okay. Calico.ml. Then okay. Now our it is created. Okay, deployment, this all these things created. I'll explain you what is deployment and how, what is daemon set, everything, what is service count, everything. Okay, now let us check what is the kubectl, how many nodes are now. Okay, see, now it is showing this is my master node and this is in ready state. Okay, now let me add the node 1. I have just run this command. Okay, this is done. Next is, now we need to check whether the node is present or not. Okay, now see, now the second node is created and it is added. Now this is in not ready. So after some time it will show us that the it is in ready state. Now see, this is in ready state. Okay, I hope you are getting how to install. Okay, so yes, that's it for today's class, like how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu 22.04 server, which is in AWS. Okay, so on next class, what I will do is, on next class I will show you how to install Kubernetes on Ubuntu in AWS, same how we have done in today's class. I will show you how to do by using Ansible role. So it will not take more time. Within 1 minute it will be created. Okay, so stay tuned and thank you for today's class and for joining. Okay, so thank you so much for